Welcome back, my dear students. So my name is Abhigyan Tiwary, working as an assistant professor at Sage University, Bhopal. So today we are going to see control statement, and in this section we are going to see switch statement today. Fine. So let me start. Kaggle, and we are using R environment for coding this one. We have seen this one. So this is how switch syntax is seen in this R programming, and this is quite different from the what you can say that we are using in our traditional programming C, C++, Java itself. So this is switch, and we can assign the value of switch to any variable that is clearly visible here. Fine. So switch is going to return something, it means. So switch, and we have written 3. Fine. And we have it starts from the index number 1, 2 and 3. This is the index number. Fine. So it is going to print that Gunjan itself. That is how it works. So whatever the value we have given here, that counted, it will start count from here itself, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 value will be printed here. Fine. That's why we have Gunjan here. You can see the output, as I have already executed it. Fine. So it will not going to take the time, because to execute any program in that Kaggle environment, you require internet speed. Fine. And it will depend upon the internet speed. Now you can see that what I have written. I have given some expression here, that is ax1, bx2. These are the vectors, you can say. We have assigned some values over there, integer value. And switch, again we have the value, and the value will be going to be assigned in this y variable, whatever is the value. So we have did some kind of arithmetic expression here. So we can do arithmetic expression here also. So what is the value we can give here? It can be any expression also. So this is an arithmetic expression. It will be going to be solved, and the value is 3. We know this one, and in 3 we have hello Vaisali. So 1, 2 and 3. The value will be printed from here itself. That's why we have written print y. This value will be going to be assigned to this y, and this y will be get printed here. Fine. Let's move forward. Now we have this one. So y equal to 18, and the y is here, and we know at what is the value of 18. 18 is there. Fine. So what we'll see? Hello Nishika. So if we change the value, we are going to get different answer. And one more thing we could do is x equal to 2, 1, and we have written a function here. So I have told you that any expression we can write here itself. Any expression. So I have written here paste xy, this xy, and separated by not a space. We required no space in between 2 and 1, and that's why we have written this only double quotes. Fine. This is 2 and 1. It will be get pasted here itself. So the value will become what? 21. So 21 is hello Subham. So Subham will be get printed here. Yes or no? So Subham will be. So hope you have enjoyed this one. Try to write the code in your R Studio or R environment, and try to get the idea how this control statements work. And apart from that, we have next is also we are going to use in our this statement here itself. Fine. So do it once, and hope you have enjoyed. From my side, a big thanks to you guys for watching this video, and thanking you.